Today, we're here to guide you through the process of dissolving a Canadian federal corporation. It might sound daunting, but it's actually simpler than you think. Hi, I'm Kate, and I'm going to take you through each step of dissolving your corporation. Whether you're a new immigrant, a small business owner, or an entrepreneur, this guide is for you. Let's start with step 1, preparing for dissolution. Before you begin, ensure your corporation is solvent, meaning it can pay its debts. Also, get the consent of key stakeholders, including shareholders and directors, if applicable. Apply for dissolution online through the Corporations Canada website. Here's how. Log into the online filing center. You'll need your corporation key to make the filing. First, confirm that your corporation has no property or liabilities. Then, confirm it's not insolvent or bankrupt. Next, review and confirm your corporation's information. Specify the dissolution effectiveness date, which can be the date of filing or a future date. Download and sign Form 17. You don't need to send the signed copy, but keep it with your records. Then you submit the application online. You'll receive an email with your certificate of dissolution immediately afterwards. After the online filing of Form 17, you will need to notify all stakeholders, including employees, creditors, suppliers, and customers. You should also finalize financial obligations, including filing the final corporate tax return with the CRA and ensuring all taxes are paid. If there is any remaining asset, they should be distributed to shareholders. You will also need to cancel any business licenses, permits, and close all corporate bank accounts. After all these procedures are finished, you have the legal obligation to maintain these records for 6 years. This includes financial statements, tax returns, and dissolution documents. Dissolving a Canadian federal corporation might seem daunting, but in most cases, it's a process you can handle yourself. The steps are straightforward and manageable. However, in complex situations, such as financial disputes, insolvency, or shareholder conflicts, consulting a lawyer can be invaluable. Trustiics connects you with experienced lawyers in global markets, including Canada, China, India, Indonesia, Malaysia, Vietnam, Brazil, and the United States. Benefit from transparent and affordable fees, ensuring peace of mind throughout the legal process. If you need lawyers in the process of dissolving a Canadian federal corporation, you can consult experienced lawyers on Trustiics, such as Mr. Martin Aquilina in Ontario and Ms. Jie Han in Quebec. Thanks for watching!